In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record on Canva. Let's dive in and explore this simple process together. First, open your web browser and head over to Canva's official website. This is your starting point. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see the Login button. Click on that and proceed to enter your account information if it's not already saved in your browser. If you've previously signed in, you might find it super convenient because you can simply click Continue to access your account without re-entering your information. Next, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use for logging in. Simply select the account that is linked to your Canva profile. If you see a Continue button following this step, go ahead and click it to finalize your login process. At this point, your Canva dashboard should be right in front of you. Now it's time to open the project where you wish to include your screen recording. Navigate through your existing projects or create a new one if needed. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the side panel of the dashboard. You'll want to click on Uploads, which is typically located on the left. Here you also have the option to upload a variety of media files directly into your project. Among the features, you'll notice a Record Yourself option. Clicking on this option leads you to the screen recording feature. This is where all the magic happens. Before proceeding, it's important to note that you'll need Canva's desktop app to utilize the screen recording function. If you haven't installed it yet, this might be a good time to do so, as the screen recording feature will be grayed out otherwise. Once you have the desktop app ready, look for the Open Canva Desktop App button on your screen. When you click this button, Canva's desktop app will launch. After it's open, you'll see a prompt to begin your screen recording. You just have to press the record button and voila, you're all set. Your screen recording will begin immediately, allowing you to capture what is necessary for your project. Remember, while you're recording, make sure you're capturing all the details you want to share with your audience. You can pause or stop the recording at any point if you need to rearrange your thoughts or set up a particular screen. Once you've captured everything you need, the recording will automatically save in your Canva uploads. From there, you can easily drag and drop it into your active project or keep it stored for future use. And that's it. You're successfully screen recording on Canva like a pro. With these straightforward steps, you can now take full advantage of Canva's powerful features to create more engaging and interactive designs.